So, the latest thing, all back together. I don't know why, but I checked the battery voltage charging, and it was charging at 5.2 volts. So my immediate thoughts were the voltage regulator, because, well, I didn't think anything else could be the issue. So that is there, held on by 2 bolts, 2 connectors. Now that one there is the one I purchased off eBay. That's exactly the same as the one. Charges exactly the, well, I'm saying exactly the same. 0.2 volt different, but I mean the same pretty much. That's my original one. So this physically is exactly the same as that. The wires are the same, however the connectors are different. So I think what I'll do before I'll try and graph that on, connect it to that via some leads. I need to make up some leads and plug it in, and then if it sorts the charge out, I'll have to, I don't know, maybe somehow get it to fit that, put those connectors on the back of that, and be nice if the pins were the same and they just fit. But anyway, so I'll have to dig out and see if I can find some wires and see if I can't just rig that up, just temporary, and see how we go. So I've made a lead and I've connected that to the bike, and obviously the connectors are different. That's the original. And I've got doesn't significantly change when I put the grips on. It goes up maybe 0.2 or something like that. I'm quite happy at 14.5. So that means, whichever one it was, can't remember whether that was my original or not. Yeah, that was my original. It's got the part number there. So that's what came with the bike. And the other one that was allegedly tested, that's actually bolted on there, so I'm not taking it off yet, but that's the one that I replaced it with, that was definitely tested and definitely working. Clearly it wasn't. So I suppose the job now is to try and get them plugs onto that. I mean, wouldn't it be nice if the pins were the same and I could just flick them out on the tabs? Maybe. That's the next job. Well, that's it, back together. That's the faulty one. Got that refunded off eBay, so that wasn't bad. That's the one that's off the Simjet, exactly the same, just needed the connectors changing. So they've been done, all up and running, charging at 14.6 volts. Happy days.